Hello everyone, welcome back to English Podcast Home. Today we are going to practice English speaking with a simple daily life conversation. Sarah, how are you today?
Hi, Adam. I am good today. Thank you for asking. I feel happy because I am practicing English with you.
That's great, Sarah. How was your day today?
My day was good. I woke up early in the morning, had breakfast, and started my work. How about you, Adam?
My day was good too. I started my morning with some coffee and planned my daily tasks. Sarah, tell me, what do you usually do in the morning?
Usually, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. After that, I go to work or study.
Very good. You explained your routine clearly. Remember, when we talk about daily habits, we use simple present tense. For example, I wake up early or I go to work.
Thank you, Adam. I want to improve my speaking and use better sentences.
You are doing well. Now let's practice some useful English sentences. Repeat after me. How is your day going?
How is your day going?
Great. Another sentence. What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
Excellent. These sentences are very useful for everyday conversations.
Adam, can I ask you a question?
Of course, Sarah. Ask me anything.
How can I become better at speaking English?
The best way is daily practice. Speak a little English every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
That is good advice. I will practice every day.
Now let's imagine a real-life situation. You are in a shop and you want to buy something. What will you say?
I will say, "Hello, can I see this item, please?"
Perfect. Then the shop worker may say, "Sure, here you are."
I can also say, "How much does it cost?"
Excellent. Now another situation. You are in a restaurant. How do you order food?
I can say, "I would like a sandwich and a coffee, please."
Very good. That sounds natural.
Adam, what if I need help when I am outside?
You can ask politely. For example, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Great job. Now it's time for a quick speaking challenge. I will ask you some questions and you answer in English.
Okay, I am ready.
What is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is the evening because I can relax and spend time with my family.
Nice answer. Next question. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, watching videos, and practicing English.
Excellent. Last question. Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because I want to communicate with more people and become confident.
Amazing answer, Sarah. Everyone listening, remember, practice every day, speak slowly, and believe in yourself.
Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope everyone enjoyed this English conversation.
Thank you for listening to English Podcast Home. Keep practicing and keep improving your English. Sarah, today we are going to practice real American English conversations. Let's start with a simple conversation. Imagine you meet someone new. What will you say?
I will say, "Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you."
Great. That is a natural way to introduce yourself. You can also ask, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
Good. When you meet someone, you can also ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from?
Excellent. Now answer the question.
I am from my hometown. I am learning English and trying to speak better every day.
Very good. When we talk with new people, we should be polite. We can say please, thank you, and you're welcome.
Thank you, Adam. I understand. Being polite makes conversations better.
Exactly. Now let's learn some everyday American English expressions. A common phrase is, "How's it going?"
How's it going?
It means, "How are you?" You can answer, "It's going well."
It's going well. I am practicing English today.
Perfect. Another useful expression is, "Sounds good."
Sounds good.
We use it when we agree with someone. For example, if your friend says, "Let's study English together," you can say, "Sounds good."
Let's practice. My friend says, let's watch an English video.
Your answer?
Sounds good. Let's watch it.
Excellent. Another phrase is, "No problem." We use it when someone thanks us or asks for something.
No problem. I can help you.
Great sentence. Now, let's practice a real-life situation. Imagine you are at a coffee shop.
Okay, I am ready.
You walk into a coffee shop. What do you say?
Hello, I would like a coffee, please.
Good. The worker asks, "What size would you like?"
I would like a medium size, please.
Very natural. Now, imagine you are at work and you need help.
I can say, excuse me, can you help me with this?
Excellent. Asking politely is important in American English.
Adam, what can I say at school when I meet a new classmate?
You can say, "Hi, I'm Adam. Are you new here?"
Hi, I'm Sarah. Are you new here?
Perfect. Now, let's do question and answer practice. I will ask questions and you answer with full sentences.
Okay, I will try.
What do you usually do after work or school?
After work, I usually relax, talk with my family, and practice English.
Great answer. Next question. What is your favorite way to learn English?
My favorite way to learn English is listening to conversations and practicing speaking.
Excellent. Next question. What is your goal in learning English?
My goal is to speak English confidently and communicate with people around the world.
Very good. Now, let's focus on confidence. Many people are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That is normal. The important thing is to keep practicing. Mistakes help you improve.
I will not be afraid. I will practice and keep learning.
Great attitude. Remember these tips. Speak slowly, use simple sentences, and practice every day.
I will try to speak English every day and improve step by step.
Excellent. Now use a complete sentence. I am improving my English because...
I am improving my English because I want to speak clearly and confidently.
Perfect. That was a great practice.
Thank you, Adam. I learned many useful phrases today.
You did a great job, Sarah. Keep practicing real conversations and your English will become stronger. Thank you for practicing English with us today. Remember, speaking English gets better with daily practice.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
We will see you in the next episode of English Podcast Home.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep improving your English.